In English-speaking countries, when someone sneezes, it's kind of a social obligation to say God bless you. But have you ever wondered why? I mean, why does someone needs to be blessed by God simply because he or she got air out of their lungs through their nose and mouth? Well, this expression has ancient origins. During the 6th century, the Roman Empire experienced two of the deadliest plague pandemics this world has ever known. The Plague of Justinian and the Plague of 590, which combined killed about 100 million people, which is roughly about half of Europe's population. Because sneezing was an early symptom of plague, it was believed that it was an imminent danger to the sneezer. Therefore, Pope Gregory I, also known as Gregory the Great, suggested that people should say God bless you as that person needed help from God. The concept, of course, was that this prayer would protect the person sneezing from death. Soon enough, people started using this expression, and thus the custom of saying God bless you when somebody sneezes was born. This idea is not only limited to the English language. Germans say Gesundheit, which means health in German. Greeks say Metesi Gueso, which means to your health in Greek, and French say Santé, which means health in French. In fact, most languages respond to sneezing by wishing good health to the sneezer. Hope this video was informative. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sokumo Facts for more interesting videos. Have a nice day.